Okay, on.
Sick. So putting the hoist up, just lifting the arm up, aiming into there, and you've got a flat just along there to pull the lever down, and that's locked in place. Then put the hoist up, lift the arm, just aiming for the first slot that's marked with the blue paint there. So that clicks in, just give it a little tug just to make sure it's definitely there. At this point, so I've got the bungee cord just securing the chair in place. So just release that. And we've got the handset here, nice and simple, up and down. So at this point, if you just swing that so it's just kissing the back window, and then just kind of hold the tension as you pull it up. Just before it takes the weight, you want to make sure that the lifting strap's lifting in the middle of the chair and it hasn't slipped off to either side to make sure it's lifting horizontally. Okay. So I just want to lift it as high as you can get it to be able to just clear the back wheels there and not crush it into the top. So it just slots out nicely. So you just want to get it just high enough to clear there. You don't want to crash this bit into the top of the hoist. You're liable to blow the fuse at that point. So once it's up, you just pull it round, walk it back, and then bring it down. Just rest that on its tip wheels. Just lean that forwards. You've just got a nice big red strap around here, a little clip. Just need to unclip one side, undo the Velcro, and away you go. So to put it back in, same in reverse. Red strap, in between there's two tape marks on here to show you where it needs to be. Just press that. And again, as you bring the rope up, just make sure there's a bit of tension in here, just so it coils up nice and tightly on the bobbin. So just fold that back in, bring it up. Again, we want to bring it up as high as we can within reason, just to clear the top and not crash that into the hoist. Bring it round, and then as you kind of lower it down, just kind of gently pushing it forward so it's as far into the boot as it can be. So once that's on the floor, and then put the bungee cord back around there, make sure that's secure. And you want to pull through a good amount of slack just to give it enough so that you can fold the hoist down. Slack there. Should be plenty. So handset's magnetic, stick to the hoist. So to release it, just want to lift this end, and that'll just drop the catch out of there, fold down, and just before it hits the bottom, just lift that lever there, fold it down, give it a twist, and it'll go right to the floor. And then you're in.
Okay, thank you.